All right, so here we have some more problems, and these again are our easier type of problems that have just a 1 on the front. And we're going to break this into an m and an m because of the m squared. Now we have a difference of two terms. So we've got a plus and a minus because the product is negative. So I'm going to go ahead and put my plus and my minus in there because I just have an m and an m. And then I'm looking for a product of 6 but a difference of 5. So 6 and 1 will be the one I'm trying because 6 and 1 is a product of 6 but a difference of 5. Since I want the middle term to be positive, I will put my 6 positive, my 1 negative, and I have that one factored. All right, so now we have a d squared, so we're going to put a d, d. Again, I have a difference, a negative on the last term, meaning I have a difference between the inside and the outside terms. So this one will be a subtraction of these two. So 44 and 1, or 22 and 2, or 11 and 4 are my factors to 44. And I'm looking for a difference that will give me a 7. And so I'm going to go with the 11 and 4. 11 and 4. Opposite signs. I want the 7d to be positive, so I'll make the 11 positive and the 4 negative. And there we have it. Okay, this one has got two variables in it. So it's the same type of problem, but now I have an x and a y. That's very easy to fix. I'm going to have an x and an x. And because my y is on the end, I'm going to have a y and a y. And then I'm going to have the same sign, both positive. So now all I have to do is figure out what is this number that goes in front of the y, which has to have a product of 12. So 12, 1, 2, 6, 3, 4. So those are all the numbers that have a product of 12. And then I am adding, because of the same sign, adding to 7. So I will pick the 4 and the 3. And when I FOIL that back together, I have it factored correctly. Okay, so now again we have two variables. So we're going to put our r and our s and our s. And I have a difference, so we're going to have opposite signs, and we have a difference of 1 and a product of 42. Okay, difference of 1, product of 42. Can you think of two numbers that are only one digit apart? That would give you 42, and that would be 6 and 7. So I want the middle term to be positive, so I will make the 7 the positive 1, the 6 the negative 1, and when we FOIL that back together, we are good to go. And then, again, two variables. So we'll have the a and the a, and the b and the b. Same sign, both negative. So now I'm looking for a product of 21 and a sum of 10. So 7 and 3 do multiply to 21 and do have a sum of 10. So 7, 3, and when I FOIL that together, see, when I FOIL it back together, I get a negative 7 AB and a negative 3 AB, which gives me a negative 10 AB. All right? So we'll be back in a moment with some more difficult problems.